Hello everyone and welcome to How To For You. Today I will be showing you how you can remove all of your hyperlinks in a Microsoft Word document within one swift move. So you have your Microsoft Word document open here. I've just simply copied and pasted some text from Wikipedia about an apple. As you can see, there are many hyperlinks here. So if I was looking to remove all of them at once, you'd simply press Control A to select all, like so. And then in the second move, you press Control, Shift, and F9. And then as you can see, that removes all of the hyperlinks within one swift move. Now, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel, not only for more videos, but to become a how-to guru with How To For You. Feel free to comment below and like the video as well. Thanks, guys.